it's Patty. So today I wanted to share with you guys a what's in my diaper bag video. I have shared this before with my 2 kids, but now I have 3 kids. So I wanted to share with you kind of what I have in my diaper bag on a regular basis, and then maybe some like last minute things I might throw in there. So this is my diaper bag and I love it. It is definitely worth every penny. This is the freshly picked diaper bag in the gray color. I don't remember what they call the gray color, but I will leave it linked below. But I pre-ordered mine when they launched the diaper bag, and I was very hesitant to order it because I loved my previous diaper bag, but it had to be replaced. It was breaking. So I was thinking of going with the same one, but I am so happy I went with this one. It's so nice to have something fresh. I still love the other one. I had the font design and I love that one too, but it's nice to kind of change it up, and I'm so happy with this one. I love how structured it is, because sometimes diaper bags are very like floppy, and this one stands up really nice, so I find it a lot easier to keep it organized. And kind of a little tip that I have found is my other diaper bag was always a mess. Like, it was always messy, and there was always like trash in it from snacks, and food would fall in there like from half-eaten snacks, and it was always a mess. So what I started doing is either Saturday night or Sunday morning before we go to church, I clean out my diaper bag. That way it's always kind of neat from the week. So I really try, since I haven't gone out tons since having my baby because she's only a month, but every Saturday I try to make it a habit of cleaning it out, or Sunday morning and reorganizing it and making sure I have all the things I need, because I tend to take stuff out, and kind of like I throw in a lot of pens and lipsticks and stuff like that, so that way I kind of keep it level. And also I tend to lose all my pens and lipsticks because I forget that I throw them in here. So yes, that's my little tip on that and how to keep it organized. So let me go ahead and show you the top so you can get perspective, and then I'll go through everything inside. Here's a look at the inside. I just wanted to kind of give you a perspective of the pockets and all the space that there is inside. So pretty much you have the zipper here, and then inside you have this zipper here, and then you have this huge pouch here, and then on each side you have stretchy pouches here and here, and then on these 2 sides you have stretchy pouches too, and then there's all the middle. And then here you have a nice zipper, and then there's the side pocket. So here, and then there's a pocket in the back too. So this is kind of an overview of the diaper bag. Okay, so now that you saw the inside and all the pockets, let me show you exactly what I keep in there. So this is like the little flap, and it's magnetic. It has like a little button here, so technically you don't have to zip it, but I always like zipping it because I don't want anything to fall out. Then it has the 2 clasps on each side where you can button it, and it kind of has like a little bit more of a closed look. Mine always popping out just because I keep so much stuff in there. I have 3 kids. So then there's side pockets for water bottles. My kids have like the water bottle that has like a silicone sleeve, so it doesn't fit the best on this size, but it does fit, where in my other diaper bag they didn't fit at all. But I usually save the sides for like my water bottle or my cup, whatever I'm taking. And then inside it has this here, and you just unzip it, and inside I just put right on top my kids' water bottles. So that's what I do. They're not in here right now, but that is something I normally keep in here, just because they use those at home too. So I just throw them in whenever we're going somewhere. Then in the top there's this front zipper, and then in the back there is another pocket. So this pocket I use, lately we've been going to a lot of doctor's appointments, so I usually keep this empty and slip whatever paperwork they give me right in here. I feel like it would be also a great spot if I'm like taking my planner or something like that. I like slipping things in there, like paperwork type things that I need to remember to take out. That way it doesn't get lost or wet or whatever inside. Then this little front pocket, that is normally where I put my cell phone and my keys whenever I'm going somewhere. I like putting them there, that way they're easy to find after. I also keep I limit myself to whatever lipstick I am wearing at the time, just because in my other diaper bag, I always had so many lipsticks and it was always overflowing. So currently I'm wearing this Revlon like peachy color, and this is in the color Peach Parfait. Then this Rimmel Lasting Finish in Spice, and then this NARS lip gloss. So that's currently what I'm wearing. So that is the only lip products in my diaper bag. Then I also have in here a chapstick, a lip balm, and then pens and a pencil. So that's kind of what I have in here. And then I normally throw my cell phone and my keys in there. So then on the inside, you guys already saw the inside. In one of the zippers, I just have, we're big, like there's a lot of mosquitoes here and stuff like that. And I did like a box swap on Instagram, and she sent me a bug spray. So I have that in here for the kids. It's like a essential oils bug spray. So I have that in here. And then I also have a few extra headbands just in case like I forget to throw one. And I have like pink and gray, that way it's neutral with whatever she's wearing. Then on another pocket, I just have an extra sleeper in case she has like a blowout or a spit up. She tends to spit up quite a bit, so I like to keep those in there. Then in another pocket, I have, let's see. Oh, I have a notepad so that I can write things down. I have my food hand cream by Soap and Glory. And then I have a hand sanitizer, which I'm using another hand sanitizer, so I think I'm going to actually take that out. Then in another pocket, I just have my wallet. I have found that if I keep my wallet in a pocket, it doesn't fall to the bottom, where if I keep it in the middle section, it tends to fall to the bottom. So I have that there. And then in another pocket, also easy to find, is my sunglasses. This is the case. And then these are the sunglasses. Can you tell I love blush? Then in that pocket, I also have, these I can actually take out, mittens, which we never used with her, and then an extra pair of socks, which I do like to keep those because I feel like baby socks are always falling out. So obviously I haven't cleaned my bag that well. I don't tend to check the pockets, but I don't need the mittens anymore. And then in the last like pocket inside, I am breastfeeding, but I also have to supplement, so I just have like a spare bottle just in case she does get hungry while we are out. I usually try to time it where I don't have to use that while we're out and about, and I can just nurse her if she gets hungry, but I like to have a backup just in case. Then now this is things I'm pulling out from the middle section. I have like a snack pouch for the kids, and I throw all the snacks in here. Right now, most of the snacks the kids have used up, so I have to restock the pouch. I just have 2 boxes of yogurt raisins. And then this I picked up from Target. I think it was $4.99. And it's just like a meal mat that you would stick on it's mainly for my 2-year-old, but you would just stick it to the table. And I think it was $4.99, and you just would place that on the table because he tends to, when he's eating, place the food on the table. So it folds up really nicely, and it's something you can just wipe with like a hand wipe. So I really like that. And I keep all their snacks in this pouch. Then I have this pouch, which I got from an Etsy company called Eden and Emeralds, and she has tons of really cool pouches. She hand sews them. She writes this, and mine says diapers. There's a few other bags that I would like from her, but she only opens up her shop every few weeks, and they sell out as soon as she opens up her shop. Like, you have to set a timer, and within minutes it sells out. So the inside is like this really pretty polka dot pattern. And then this is where I keep all the diaper supplies. So I have a Gather bonded leather mat, changing mat. Then I also have the little bags for dirty diapers. Then I have, this is the hand sanitizer I have been using, so I can probably get rid of the other one. And then I have diapers for my 1-month-old, and then diapers for, I usually don't have to change my 2-year-old, but just in case, I do have diapers for my 2-year-old as well. Then I have wipes. They didn't fit in that pouch. I like keeping a big pack of wipes, not the little ones. Then I have a little unicorn swaddle muslin blanket. I also have a copper pearl burp cloth. If you have not checked out Copper Pearl, definitely do. Their burp cloths are the best. My other two kids did not tend to spit up a lot, but my daughter does spit up quite a bit. I think she might have acid reflux, I'm not sure, but she spits up quite a bit, and I need a very large burp cloth with her. So I love these. So I have one of those, and then I have my Solly baby wrap. I pretty much have to use this anytime we go out because my daughter doesn't like the car seat. So I have to baby wear her wherever we go. And then I have my covered goods nursing cover, which I use as well. So that is everything inside my diaper bag. Other things I might throw in there last minute are like little coloring books if we're going somewhere where the kids need to be entertained, like the little activity packs. But I don't tend to keep those in there. Usually snacks keep them pretty busy. So I usually stock up tons and tons of snacks right before we leave. And then the kids usually I don't keep toys in my diaper bag. The kids can pick toys to bring with them, and they kind of go in with them and come back with them. I don't really have space in my diaper bag for tons of toys. So the big kids kind of bring their own stuff. They have little backpacks and stuff like that. So mainly the things I have are snacks and then things for the baby. So that is what is in my diaper bag. I highly recommend this bag. It is awesome. I love it. Worth every penny. I will leave this diaper bag in the description box, and then if you have any questions of any of the things I keep inside, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, tell me, what is your go-to diaper bag? Which one do you love? I would love to hear, because I do like to change it out from time to time. So I'd love to know which one is your favorite. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.